In this video, we'll walk you through the typical installation steps for the AluFix Classic guardrail system on a flat roof. The AluFix Classic system is suitable for installation on roofs with an inclination of up to 10 degrees. For safe operation, the AluFix Classic system must be installed against a parapet or a similar rigid structure at least 50 millimeters high. Before starting the installation on a flat roof, make sure all components are included and in perfect condition. The personnel performing the installation must protect themselves at all times during the setup while wearing a safety harness being attached to an anchor point or lifeline. Begin by placing the first two support legs 5.6 meters apart. For your convenience, you may place two rail elements flat on the roof between the support legs to find the correct spacing, but be aware of the trip risk. Next, add two counterweights to the base of each support leg. Remember all the required counterweights. Install the top segments of the support legs and tighten the knobs. Loosen the support leg clamps if not done already. Insert the railing elements into the leg clamps, center them horizontally, and tighten the leg clamps partially. Connect the center section to the outer sections using straight fence clamps. Then tighten all the clamps completely. If the parapet is less than 150 millimeters high, a toe board should be installed on the guardrail system. In this case, the support legs should be installed at a distance of 165 millimeters from the parapet. After the AluFix Classic system is assembled, install the toe board supports as shown. Attach the toe board support onto the railing elements with a maximum distance of 1.9 meters. Arrange the spacing of the toe boards so that the 2-meter-long toe board sections can be installed with an overlap of at least 5 centimeters. Now let's look at a few special installation cases. To install the guardrail at a roof corner, use a hinge connector as shown. Make sure to place the support legs as close together as possible around the corner area. If the toe board version is used, place the toe board supports as shown. Continue installing the support legs as usual. The same hinge connector can also function as a telescopic connector when folded completely. Attach the guardrail section as shown to adjust the system length.